Hello everyone, welcome to Lockdown Crafts with Pi. Today we are going to make a cute teddy bear. So for that you are going to need a A4 size paper. You can also use a TK sheet. I prefer to use a light sheet so it looks like this. Then you will need a pair of scissors, scale big or small, and then you can either use this or this. So when we are making the nose, you can just draw it or just make a oval and then stick it. So if you don't have a paper, you can use a marker or a sketch pen, and if you have a paper, you can just cut a oval and then stick it and then make it. So let's start. So for this, first we will keep everything aside, and we need the pair of scissors and an A4 size paper. So what we are going to do, keep it like this as a rectangle. It is horizontal rectangle. Now fold these two corners to these two corners, making a half of the paper. So we are going to use the half paper for the body and half for the head. Press it well. Now open it. Now you can see a line passing through the middle. Now take the pair of scissors and cut on the line. Now if you are not able to see, again just press it and then you can cut it. I have cut the paper into halves. Now put the one half aside. First we are going to make the body. So for the body you have to take the paper and fold it in a square. So this corner should touch this corner like this. And make a square. Now you can also use newspaper, but as I told, it will break down quickly. So you can stick the paper double times and then use it. Now cut the extra part. Now for making it easy, you can just do it like this. See the square part, till that I am putting the ruler and then just pressing it like this. And fold it and then you can see a line, and on that then you can cut it. So for the head and body, we are going to need the square. So first you are making the body. You can save this and you can make other crafts with them or just play with it. Your choice. Now this is a square. Open it. Now fold these two corners to these two corners. And press it well. Now open, flip and do the same by folding these two corners to the other two corners. Press it well. Now keep it like this. Fold these two corners to these two corners, making a small square. Now open it. Now you get a square piece of paper divided into 4 square pieces of paper. Now flip it. Now you can see lines are there. So fold these two corners or this line till the middle line. Don't go above that. Press, flip and do the same. Now you can keep it like this also as you are comfortable with. Press it well. Now fold these two corners to these two corners. Press and open. So line is there. It was from first only, but to see the line neatly, you can do it again. Fold this line till the middle line, making one more small square. Two small squares are there, and two small squares are making a rectangle. Open it. Now this is the tricky part. So again fold the middle line. Now what you can do is just flip it and then fold it, so the line will be more clear to you. Open. Now see, the line is much more clear. Now keep it like this. Now open this flap. Now this line you can see should touch the middle line. So take this flap, this line till the middle line. So this line till the middle line. And from in, press it. I will show you once again. See, this line, open it. This line should touch the middle line. So just pick it up and press it. Now this corner, this you have to push it down. Push, push, push. Get like this. Again showing this line touch this the middle line. Press inside. Again this line, this one till the middle. Like this you get. Now this push, push, push and press them. Now mine is overtaking a little bit on that, so no worries, because we are going to fold it down only. So we get like this. Now fold this line, this till the middle. Now easy we can do is take this corner and this, put it like this, and then this till the middle. Take this corner till the middle. So you will get like this shape. Now press it. Now flip it. Now you can see it is looking little like a body, but we have to give it a nice shape. So now how you will understand which we have to make body and which we have to keep as a part. So this you can see this opening. This should be backwards, and which is not open like this. This flaps you can see this should be in the front side. This will be the body. See, you can see this body, this, and you can see this down. The open side is down. So now this is a little bit tricky. So this one you have to put it up like this. Once more, put it up, and this should be leveled to this, not big or small. See, if I do it big, small, these are the legs. They should be equal to each other. See, now we are going to use glue. Open the flaps, unfold them, take glue or Fevicol which you have. Now this points, 2 points, we are going to put glue on that. Now open this and put it inside and press. Again this open and push it in. Now see, but what is the problem? It is very, you can see it is a triangle like, so you have to curve it. It is very pointy. So take a ruler. Now this is a hard paper. If you have newspaper, you can just fold it easily, but this is a A4 size paper, and if you are using a TK sheet, it is very hard. So what you have to do is take a ruler and then flip it. So the back one, we are now on the back one side. So keep the ruler like this, see, on the points, and then you can just fold it. It is very easy to fold now. And fold it. Now flip it. Now it is a curve. Okay. Now flip it again and open these two. Fold it. Now we don't want in middle. It will be again like pointy. So you have to stick it. Now in this case you can use sellotape also. But I know someone don't have sellotape, so you can use glue also. So put glue. You can see I've stick it, but it is again opening. So again stick it and flip it and then press it down. Now after we complete the teddy bear, for at least 1 to 3 minutes, you have to keep it down in a heavy thing. So like scissor you can put, then a bag of full of vegetables you can put, so it will be more, it will not come out. Let us first complete the teddy bear, then you can put it. Now what we have to do is, now this is of your choice. The hands you can make of your choice of which angle you want. So this is the middle line. So how much you want, this corner should come in the middle like this. Now I want this much size. Now you can keep it in the middle, down, how you want. Flip it and do the same like this. So we get a cute hands, a teddy bear. Now we are going to stick it this one also. Why? Because it will open again. Now I stuck it. Now flip it and press it again. Body is ready. Now in 2 minutes we will make the face. This is a little bit big body. So take the paper which we have kept aside. Again make it a square. And cut the extra part. Keep this aside. Now open it, you will get a line. Again fold it like that only. Now fold this till this, not till this corner. A little bit space should be there and it should be straight. Press it. Now there is no angle for that, but you have to follow this. If you put this corner and touch here, so we will be not able to fold this here. Now do it like this, and this corner now should touch this corner. Keep it parallel, not. Now you can see this is not straight, so keep it a little bit straight. You can keep a ruler and check. So now it is straight. Now this corner to this corner. Done. Now we are going to make the ears. So this corner will go back. Now you can decide the angle of the ear. So now you can flip and see. It is pointy now, but we will do it like this. This. And again, now this ear is to this angle. So this ear also should be on this angle. Or it is like this. So how it will be 1 ear up and 1 ear down. It should be in the same angle. See. Now flip it, and this side you have to pull it down till it goes. Now this will till this corner. So like this and press. Like this, press. Now see. Now we are going to fold this corner up. Now you can decide the width. It is all up to you. So this much I want. So I will keep this much length of my teddy bear. Now the ears are pointy. So fold this corner down and this corner also down. Flip. Now we are going to stick everything because it is peeking out. So this up one first. stick it, press it really well. This one triangle, then this one, and at the last this one. Done. Now the head and body is done. Now we are going to stick it. Now this also you can stick by your angle. I want this much, so I want this much. So you can just mark with Fevicol also or gum. So I want till this much. So you will put glue here and here also a little bit. And now just stick it. Now you have to draw an oval and then a nose and then a smile on the teddy. Now make eyes and your teddy is done. If you like my video, please subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you.